So obviously there seems to be enough planning and recce which has been done. Because a courtroom of that kind of size, remember, to go in and to place a bomb there which exploded later seems to be a well-planned conspiracy. And counting to the countdown before elections is something which all eyes have been on. Now, there has been enough pressure on Channi government as far as the sacrilege and lynching cases are concerned. This is only going to add more pressure. Now, we believe Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi is headed towards Ludhiana. He will be inspecting the blast spot, but this is going to be a matter of grave concern. The violence escalating in poll-bound Punjab. This obviously talks about how there have been question marks. We just spoke to Sukhbir Badal just a while ago, and he's been saying that the government has been falling short of its responsibilities, whether it comes to lynchings and sacrilege. And now this to add to more cases of blast now taking place is going to certainly raise question marks on the Channi government. The other is obviously...
एजेंसियां वालों कोशिश की जा रही हैं ऐसी किसी भी दोषी ਨੂੰ ਬਖਸ਼ਾਂਗੇ नहीं। ਇਸ ਦੀ ਫਸਟ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ मैं मौके ਤੇ जाके ਲਵਾਂਗਾ। ਹੁਣ मैं ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਆके ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
विक्रम मजीठिया ने आज बेल एप्लीकेशन लगाई थी कि मामला सुरक्षित रख लिया। विक्रम मजीठिया ने मोहाली ਦਾ ਰੁਖ ਕੀਤਾ।
विक्रम मजीठिया जिसने पंजाब
Charanjit Singh Channi is on his way to Ludhiana, obviously right now, to inspect the site and get a briefing from local security agencies on what may have happened. He said that all work is being done in that regard. There are many reactions also coming in. You've got Captain Amrinder Singh, who's also reacted, saying disturbing news from the Ludhiana court complex. Saddened to know about the demise of individuals. Praying for the recovery of those injured. Punjab police must get to the bottom of this. Like we keep saying, this is not just any ordinary time when this blast has taken place. This has basically taken place in poll-bound Punjab, when there is already a veneer of tension in the state owing to two violent incidents of murder, lynch mob murders of two individuals on alleged sacrilege attempts in Amritsar and Kapurthala. The latter was actually cold-blooded murder. The first also was, but it has led to an emotional peak in a poll-bound state on the issue of religion. And now you have this blast that has claimed the life of at least one person at the Ludhiana court complex. Ludhiana, like I keep saying, ladies and gentlemen, is Punjab's largest and most populous city. It is in effect the biggest metropolis of the state of Punjab, which is headed into elections in just a few short months from now. And it is in that atmosphere that an attack of this kind has taken place. And given the many implications of such an attack, there is bound to be tension, rumors, speculation, finger-pointing, and general administrative chaos. And that could very well be the intention of such an attack. One person has died. We're told that a handful of people are injured and are being treated in a hospital nearby. But these images from earlier today clearly show you what a small flare-up can actually do in a state like Punjab that's headed into elections. Kamaljeet and Manjeet continue to stay with me on this story. Charanjit Singh Channi is on his way there. Manjeet, what else are you hearing from the Chief Minister's office? He is headed towards Ludhiana. When's he going to get there? What are you hearing from the Chief Minister's office, Manjeet?
Well, Chief Minister has informed that he'll be